Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I buy my chocolate here because I found you're not there. It's very yum yum yum. I want any these eggs. So I done for order. Let's go buy. Hi guys. I found Elizabeth up there because it's not expensive. Mama, not expensive. Huh?
How much it is? This is how much? Oh, very expensive. 15 dirham. Yeah, it's too much money.
No, because this is my favorite.
It's your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay, you will buy, okay?
Okay, Mama. Mama, why is this one only?
Because all kids want this.
Huh? Hello guys, I will open my egg surprise. I'll show you.
Ali.
I will not open.
You want help?
Yeah.
Okay, try yourself, then I will help.
Okay. Egg surprise. It's yummy tasty. So there's a space here. So I can open after. Wait. Oh, it's yummy. So then inside the toy. So let's see what is inside and now open after. Oh, I'm sorry to surprise. I'll show you the other side. Inside. See, I'll open. What is inside? See, I have this toy already.
Show me. Wow.
What I got inside?